Mr. Lover, lover, lover. Now Mr. Lover, lover, lover. Girl. Mr. Lover, lover, lover. Now Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic, call me fantastic.
What if you were this fish right now? Just think of all the possibilities. I know 2 places that smell like a fish, and one of them isn't the fish. This might seem like a fishy situation, but if you come here, the waters will be all clear. I found Nemo, now you need to find me.
Hey there, it's me, Sexy Batman. You ready to go fight some crime? Let's go fight some crime, what do you say?
What? But what?
There's good reason for my glistening skin, and how I shine, and how my pores are so clean and clear. I eat little baby's ice cream. It keeps me young. It keeps me light on my feet. I spring from activity to activity. I love it.
Mr. Lover, lover, lover. Now Mr. Lover, lover, lover. Girl. Mr. Lover, lover, lover. Now Mr. Lover, lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic. Touch me on me back, she says I'm Mr.